Folks, it's 20 to 3 in the afternoon. I've had a mare today. Today's video took bloody ages to make. It's good, I enjoyed it. It's an interesting video. There's about 47,000 different camera angles, so I hope you appreciate that. It's actually quite difficult making videos on your own like this, especially when you start getting creative with it. Ain't half a faff, let me tell you. But like I say, it's all good fun. If I didn't enjoy it, wouldn't do it. Simple as that. Right, today, so I just got an email saying that my parcel has arrived at the post office, which it's not supposed to do until tomorrow. And if it is, might as well go pick it up and then find somewhere else. I let the log burner die off and I don't really want to relight it again. There's no point if I'm moving in a minute, so hence the coat indoors. Yeah, so this is the thing, with the videos there is a balance. For me to be able to put one of these out every day, I can't make, you know, mega fancy videos each day. Yeah, it's not realistic. So it will fluctuate in what happens, as you've probably already noticed. Right, so just had a quick look on Google. Post office shuts at 1 PM, so that's great. That's gonna have to be a tomorrow job. Not sure what the plan is. I'm gonna have a look on thingy, see if there's any. Well, there's loads of spots, but I don't want to stay in this car park for another night because it's quite fairly busy, so you don't want to be a dick. But I'm obviously taking up quite a lot of room, although it's a lovely car park and it's quite big. Yeah, cracking little spot this was. Really nice. Say that on the park for night, did it? Bastards. No overnighting in vehicles or camping in motorhomes. Well, I'll be swiftly taking that off the goddamn app. Son of a bitch. Made me come down this little track. Shame, well nice spot as well. Somebody's obviously been a dick and ruined it. That's such a shame, look. This place is obviously built for campers. Look, you've got a spot there, spot where I am. Someone's obviously been an arsehole and ruined it for everyone. Ooh, firewood though. Don't mind if I do. Probably not going to be kayaking for the first time on there, if we're honest. Might be a bit rough for my first go, you know. Oh, I'm annoyed about that. It's such a nice spot. Oh, found another one, so let's head there. This is brilliant around this area. It's like being in bloody France. The amount of stopovers, well, apart from this one. And the next one's 7 miles away. Let's go. Oh god, look at this. That's a bridge. What? This spot might be a no-go. Just tried to get up behind and about got stuck. Ground's all soggy. See down there? Alright, I'm going to go to another one, 3 miles away. Got to go back the way I came then. Does mean we get to go over that ridiculous bridge again. the spot's down there. So, yeah. Go on then. You just get that gut feeling that there's going to be nothing at the end of a road. Getting that right about now. God, it's a sand road, middle of nowhere. I don't see parking, not yet. There better be something on the right of there, otherwise I've got to reverse all the way out. Please, 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 please. Yes! Woohoo! Oh, it's a bit wet. Oh my god, this is a spot. This is a spot. Right. Well, that's a spot. If I've ever seen one. Oh my god. But I got no internet. Yeah, that's not looking great. Oh, maybe one bar. There is a chance I could get stuck in this spot. Yeah. That's a view. Jesus. That will bloody do, I say. Awesome. Tell you what though, folks, it is bitter out there. Just going out then, I'm frozen solid. It's snowing a little bit. That track will be hilarious if it snows. Alright, get kettle on. You see that cloud, or the snow, coming in now. It's going to hit hard in a minute, by the looks of it. Can't even see the mountains now. This should be a fun night. So I'll just put the other antenna up. It's saying 4G. No bars though. Oh, at least we're not going to freeze to death. Oh wow, that's settling already after like 5 minutes. I think we might be in for a treat here, folks. If it snows enough to put a few inches on the ground, I'm not going to be able to see that road. And I'm going to end up in the marsh. You are joking. You are joking. Of all the goddamn places. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. Oh yes. Oh, he shit himself. Sometimes it pays to have the dodgiest looking van. It's all good. -2 outside. In here it is 27. Not bad. Stopped snowing now. So that's... I ain't that bothered if it does snow, to be honest. If I have to stay here for a few days, then so what? I want snow. I've only got 1 glass of whiskey left though. So if I'm going to be stuck here, I'm going to have to start distilling my own alcohol. Well, that was funny with that motorhome. I got nothing against them, of course. Like, it makes no difference. It's still a van, isn't it? It's not that. It's just funny. Yeah, you have no idea how many times that happens, where people will come to a spot, see me and be like, nah, just pull a 180. I see people pull 180s when they're walking towards the van. You get like dog walkers and stuff. Especially when I was parked back in Leicester, down on the country lanes, you get people, and they'd be walking along, they'd see the vans and be like, they'd be, there's a few, they're walking, it's like this. There you go, folks. If you don't want any grief, always be the dodgiest guy in the room. Top tip of the day. Hey, I have to make this a thing, this tip of the day game. Let's hope we can get out alright tomorrow. I might just have to boot it through all the mud. This is a parking area before you go accusing me of tearing up the landscape again. Bit of a random meal for me, this is. Rice cakes, eggs, lettuce and charcoal cheese. I don't know what possessed me to make it, but it's damn good. Not sure how much you can see, folks, but I'm seriously out here on my Todd at this point. Middle of absolutely nowhere. Get some wildlife visitors up here, maybe. The moon's not lighting us up very much tonight. I do get the willies a bit sometimes, if you're wondering, in these kind of spots when I'm on my own. But I think that's healthy, to be honest. Keeps you alert. Not that anything's going to happen, but you know, it feels like proper wilderness. Damn cold though, so I'm going back in. I let it go out, didn't I, like an idiot. I see can get that going. There we go. Right folks, I'm going to hit the sack. I think tomorrow the plan is going to be, I'll probably drive straight to that post office first thing, pick up my parcel, and then sort the video and stuff out after. Because yeah, I want to make sure I get that. Just a quick message. Wasn't going to talk about this on here because I know there's such a mixed opinion from people. You've probably seen that this thing escalating, shall we say. Now, believe or don't believe whatever the hell you want. You know, the sort of arrogancy of people that I've seen in this country is embarrassing, actually, to be honest. It doesn't take a genius to work out there's clearly something crap happening in the world and all the other countries are trying to deal with it, you know, locking countries down and all of this, and people are waltzing around this country saying they don't give a shit. Whatever, like, fine, it's probably not going to impact younger people, fit, healthy people. What about the parents and the grandparents that you're going to infect by having that blasé attitude, who are then probably going to die? You know, it just blows my mind. Like, it really does. I've never heard such a monumental amount of bellends talking all at the same time. It's ridiculous. You know, I get that it's similar to the normal flu. I understand that, but the point is with this, it's not detectable for a long time by the time you've already spread it to loads of people, and it's those elderly people that are going to take the fall for this ultimately. And how can anyone be okay with that? It's crazy. So just think about that, you know, while you're disregarding it and blaming it all on media hype and whatever crap you want to blame it on. Why don't you just think about what is actually happening in the rest of the world and stop being dickheads and do something about it? Realistically, at this point now, the only people that can actually stop it are the people of the country. You know, there's only so much the government can say. You call me what you want, I don't really give a toss. Just don't be arrogant. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, that'll do for today. I shall see you all tomorrow. Catch you in a bit.